There, in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can create a task in ClickUp. So first, open your ClickUp account, and once you're here, you will have to select a space or a list. Then you will click New Task if you don't have one yet. So click Add Task, which is this button right here, and then go ahead and um, of course, enter your task name. So for example, I would want to name it as task 8. And then what I will have to do is I will just have to click save. And now you have your task. And then you can set it as your priority as well, which is right here. And then you can assign due dates and tags if needed, by the way. And then that's just basically it. And then you will click save, and then the task appears in this list. So yeah, you can also add attachment and subtasks for complex projects. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.